Hey boys and girls, we're coming to you again with another reading on rocks this time. That's one of Miss Henson's all-time favorite things is collecting rocks, and I hope you enjoy the collection of some of the ones that I have. They're super fun. I just love to touch them. I love to look at them. They come in so many colors, textures, shapes, sizes. It's one of my favorite units to get to teach, and I'm so sad that we're not here to get to touch them right now because I share them when we're here. So we're going to talk about rocks today in our world. So our title is called Rocks, Rocks, Rocks. Rocks are different sizes. So we have some huge rocks here, medium size, and then small here on the bottom. Here's some more. Look at these rocks. See how big they are? This one makes an arch. Look at this guy standing underneath this big tall boulder right here. And then we have some rocks that look like they might have been carved on some a little bit. Not sure. Those are pretty creative. And then we have pebbles, small rocks. I also want you to know, did you know sand was a rock? It's a very tiny, tiny rock. Rocks are different colors. Look at those colors. They're like a rainbow. They come in every color you can just about imagine. Rocks are different shapes. Look at all the shapes of these rocks. And one thing really cool, since I have this rock up here, I want you to know, this one on the bottom, if you put that rock in water, it will float, because most rocks do not float. Rocks are found everywhere. Just about anywhere you can go, you can find a rock. Even in town. It's kind of surprising. Rocks are used in many ways. Lots of uses for rocks. We use rocks to build homes. We use rocks for our countertops. We use rocks for roads, walkways. And in the older days, they used rocks to actually cut food and to build things with. Where do you find rocks? So I want you to think about that question. Where do you find rocks? If you have time, I want you to go with a parent or to your backyard and see if you can find some rocks in your yard. And when you collect some rocks, you're going to go on a rock walk. And when you collect rocks on your rock walk, then I want you to take your rocks and I want you to sort them by the properties. Remember we learned about properties of matter earlier this year? And the properties, I want you to sort your rocks by our color. So you can sort them by the oranges, by the blacks, by the grays, by the browns. Sort them by size. Small like sand. Sand and pebbles and gravel are considered small. Sort them by medium-sized rocks, which are about the size of some of the ones Miss Henson has here. They're about hand size, foot size, okay? And then sort your rocks by texture. I hope some of you remember what texture means. Smooth, rough, bumpy, soft, waxy, glassy, sharp. And then sort them by shapes. What shape are they? Triangular, rectangular, oval, round, square. And in geometry, we're learning about shapes, so you should be able to do that. Oh, another cool word is luster. Is your rock shiny or not? Look at this rock. It's lustrous. It has lots of shine. And then dull. Oh, hang on before I get to dull. Here's another rock that's shiny. And then we have rocks that are dull. They don't have shine to them. And this actually is a piece of petrified wood that's turned into a rock. Pretty cool, huh? So why don't you go outside and find out what kind of cool rocks you can come up with and sort them in your own groups. Y'all have fun on your rock walk. We'll see you next time.